welcome back to Healthy Human Fitness, and today we have our special guest, Kylo Ren. He is back because he loves working out with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with today's challenge. We're gonna be working the triceps. I hope that you guys have purchased your G-Fit bands. If you haven't purchased your G-Fit bands yet, go ahead and go in the description below this video and you will see the link to purchase them on Amazon, and it's free shipping if you have Prime. We're gonna go ahead and start with these bands. Hey, Kylo Ren, here's a light one. Whoops, oh. Yeah, sorry about that, was a bad throw. Okay, he's coming back in. All right, so we're gonna do that with the tricep. No? Oh, okay. Well, there's a lot of different options, so here's another one. What do you think? Woo. It's kind of windy out here. Sorry, my throws are so bad. No? All right, okay, try this one. Try this one, I think this one might work. Ooh, and a good throw too. What do you think? Yeah? All right, he's happy, he's happy. So we've got 4 different bands, you guys, 4 different levels, and you can do an extra heavy, medium, light, your choice. It comes all in a set with a little pouch, and you can do all of our challenges with these bands. I highly recommend them. I highly recommend you go on, get in that description right now, or before you start the video or after, and get those and be part of the challenge. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Kylo Ren, he is going to place the top of the band up there high on his shoulder. As you can see, he's gonna hold it there really tight, and then he's gonna press down with the other hand and back, squeezing that tricep. He's gonna do 50 on each side. So he's gonna go ahead and count for me while I walk you guys through this. Here we go. So he presses up and down. He never releases that tension. He keeps the tension on. And as you can see, his elbows aren't moving back and forth. He keeps them nice and stable. Just working and isolating that tricep muscle. So the tricep presses, and then it pulls. And even on the way back, you have tension there. He keeps the shoulders down, nice and relaxed. Make sure that your other shoulder, your opposite one, isn't rising up, crouching into your neck, causing tension. He presses and he pulls. He's only doing 50 on one side because with our challenge, you guys, it's 100 total. One exercise that you do 100 times, and that's it. One a day. For the new year, New You challenge for 31 days in January. So if we've got 2 arms, you only have to do 50 on one side, which is awesome. Almost there. Try not to rush it, you guys. You want to keep it tight, keep the shoulders relaxed, and just focus your mind right there on the tricep muscle. You'll get a little bit of forearms as well. You're gonna get a little bit of shoulders, holding those abs tight. Knees are soft. You have a nice, strong, stable stance. Good job. And press all the way through. Don't give up, Kylo. Yes! He presses through and back. Once he does 50, he's gonna switch sides. All right, so we're there. We're gonna switch sides, and he's gonna go ahead and show you from this direction on the other side. Very nice. So you guys, don't give up. There's just 50 here. You've got Kylo Ren doing this with you. You can do it too. You've got the force. It's a beautiful day out. People are getting their movement, doing their walking, playing on the beach, and you're with us. You joined us today, part of the challenge. We're proud of you. We want us to say thank you. It means so much to us to have you part of our community. We love to help you. We love inspiring you, and we hope that you're making changes every day for a better and healthier lifestyle. And he presses it up and down. Good job. Make sure you guys are breathing, holding those abs tight, sturdy stance, nice and strong. So even though we're isolating one muscle that we want to focus on, you're using other parts of your body. So you want to make sure everything is engaged, everything's in its proper place. And you guys, give a shout out to Kylo Ren. Leave some comments in the comments below. Let us know you like this challenge. And we hope we see you tomorrow as well. If you're part of the challenge, subscribe to our channel and find us on Instagram, Healthy Human Fitness. There's underscore after each word, healthy_human_fitness. And that's it. So Kylo, how did that feel? Yeah! All right, he wants to see you tomorrow at tomorrow's challenge. See you guys soon.